So I have a situation. My captions are all showing up good on this video and everything's looking good, but I don't necessarily like the way that Minvo is grouping my captions on the screen. So looking at this caption, it says that ties all of this together. And then I want the caption to stop on together. I don't want and will put in this part of the screen. I want that to show up next. In other words, I want the word together to be alone on the screen. And we can actually do this very easily inside Minvo. All you have to do is come down to the timeline and find the word where you want that break to be. So in this case, we want it to be on together. So we're going to click on together. And now we have a couple different options, but the two I want to focus in on are add line break before and add line break after. We want the line break to happen after the word together so that nothing else shows up behind it. So we click add line break after and boom, together is now its own word by itself. Additionally, we could achieve the same thing by clicking on the word and clicking add line break before. And just like before, together is now by itself. And the next part of that caption is on its own line. To get more out of your videos and really make them stand out, make sure you check out the other videos on this channel. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more Minvo tips and tricks.